Hello everyone, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to open the Google Sheet file. So let's start it. At first, open your desktop file. Now going to the Chrome browser option. Now click on the search bar option. Now type from the Google Sheet. Then show the Google Sheet bar in the online template. Now for click. Then click on the sign in option. That's it. Then show the Google Sheets in the desktop. Now click on the blank sheet option. That's it. Then finally Google Sheets in the open. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.